So now we have two secants and trying to figure out the measurement that is outside the circle. And what I want you to remember is outside measurement times the whole segment measurement. Outside segment times the whole measurement. So the outside segment is x. So you have x times the measurement of the entire length of the secant segment. In this case, it's going to be x plus 6. Then we also have on the other secant, we have 2 and then we have 18. So what you're going to multiply is you're going to multiply 2, which is on the outside, that segment on the outside, times the length of the entire segment, which is 2 plus 18. So now we're going to go ahead and solve for x. So we have x times x and we have x times 6. We're going to apply the distributive property. So we have x squared plus 6x equals 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 36. So we have x squared plus 6x equals 40. And since we want it to equal to 0 so we can solve it, it's going to be x squared plus 6x minus 40 equals 0. I'm going to solve this by factoring. So 40, the factors of 40 are going to be 10 times 4, and I'm going to make 4 negative. So 10 times negative 4 gives me negative 40, and 10 minus 4 gives me 6. So that's what we want. So we have x plus 10 times x minus 4 equals 0. So we have x plus 10 equals 0, x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals negative 10, which it can't, because we can't have a negative distance. So the only possible answer is x equals 4. So the length of that x value is 4. So we're going to find the value of y. We have two secants. So remember, it's going to be the segment measurement that is outside times the whole segment is equal to the outside segment times the whole. So if I look at this segment, the measurement of the outside segment is 5, and I have to add 5 plus 7. This other segment, the outside measurement is 4, and I have to add y plus 4. So this is actually 5 times 12. And here I'm going to do the distributive property, so it's 4y plus 16. So this is 5 times 12 is 60. Equals 4y plus 16. Subtract 16. That gives me 44 equals 4y divided by 4. So the value of y is equal to 11. So this is 11.